This video was originally going to be part 3 of 3 for the striper fishing series. When I was editing this video, I realized how boring this was. It was just a whole bunch of people talking and me only catching 3 fish. So I decided to make this be the thank you video that I was going to do. So here it goes. So the first person I would like to thank is Compleat Restorations. They were so nice to allow all of us to go on this trip without having any of us pay a dime, which was really nice of them. Second people I want to thank is the Bayside Girls charter. They were super friendly. The captain took us right to the spot. He was so nice. First mate was awesome. He helped you with everything. Super nice. So if you're ever looking to go on a striper fishing charter, I would recommend going to Bayside Girls. I had an awesome day fishing for a striped bass, and I hope I can do it sometime again in the future. So, here we go. I'm just going to play music over the rest of it. But thank you for supporting all 3 videos.
It's the good news for us all. It's greater than religion. It's the power of the cross. So can we get back to the altar? Back to the arms of our first love. There's only one way to the Father, and He's calling out to us. To the captive it looks like freedom. To the orphan it feels like home. To the skeptic singing hallelujah, amen. Singing hallelujah, amen. Whoa. Our hearts will rise, our song shall be Jesus Christ, our Savior, King forever. He is refining, and in His timing, He's making diamonds out of dust, making diamonds out of us. I won't be afraid to shine. I won't be afraid to shine. I won't be afraid to shine, 'cause He's making diamonds out. I need your direction. I will follow you. I will follow you. And tell your heart to beat again. Your heart to beat again. Beat again. Oh, so tell your heart to beat again. I was feeling that breeze, singing like a song through the tall oak trees. It was just another summer night, had to be the last thing on my mind.